So, yun na nga po mga kalaki, dito kami ngayon nagkita sa McDo. Dito niya ako inantay ng pagkatagal-tagal at syempre na late din siya and syempre namili na rin kami ng gagamitin namin sa aming swimming. And then, iyan, bago pa kami magkita, sabi niya magpapapicture siya sa akin and nakalimutan ko rin tanggalin ang aking face mask. Sorry naman. So, order po kayo sa kanya ng cake. Sobrang sarap at anytime, nako, sa totoo lang, magdamagan niya lang yung ginawa. O, diba? Ang ganda pa din. Kahit sobrang napuyat yan dyan. O, diba? Hindi ko pinalagpas. Syempre, dahil nag-antay siya ng matagal, syempre, meron akong paayuda ni Mayora. So, ayun. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kaswerte. Siyempre kasi, hindi masyadong marinig kasi nga sobrang ingay dyan sa McDonald's. So, ayun, pinamili ko siya kung 100 ba or 500. So, ayun, ang kanyang napili. Ayan. Buksan mo na yan, te. O, yun ang kanyang napili. Ang nakatipid na naman ako, diba? At least, diba, nakita natin kung gaano siya kalaki. Eh, syempre, mas lucky pa din ako, diba? Nasa akin ng 500. So, ayun. Ayan yung cake na in-order ko sa kanya. Ayan na siya pagka nakalagay na yung mga ibang mga abobot. So, ayun. Nagmamadali na rin kaming umalis kasi nga, magsiswimming na.
Girl, you're everything between a lot of pretty girls, but you're my dream girl. You make your flowers bloom and the stars collide.
Ayan na, lumibay ako sa birthday ko.
Ang swerte yung vlog mo.
Oo, diba? Share your blessing. Okay Sponsor!
Mabunutin mo. Kung saan libo, pagin natin.
Yan, mama!
Nakakapagawa na sa libo.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Kami sa El Grande Residencia. Ayan. Kapitbahay lang talaga namin, di ba? O, di ba? Ayan. Actually, ayan siya. Yung mga pinamili namin. So, ayan, nakatipid naman kami kasi nga hindi ganun kamahal yung medyo nakatipid naman kami kasi nga hindi ganun kamahal yung aming napuntahan.
Sinulit, oh.
Happy birthday!
Parang tulad. Dili ka dyan. Yung ganyan. Mahalap ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Okay na, kain na na. Thank you sa lahat. Yun, syempre kailangan tanggalin na natin to para makain na din natin itong cake.
Mukbang ason. Kaya
Syempre, ito, iano ko to, isusouvenir ko to, itatago ko to. Kaya kailangan tanggalin ko na siya bago pa ito makain. Baka mamaya, gula-gulanit na, di ba?
Kala ko pa naman may pera. Pagkabuno.
Ayan. Subscribe na kayo sa aking Facebook page. And syempre, Lucky Rose Vlogs. And syempre, like nyo na rin yan. Ay, po ka na naman. And syempre, sa Reels ko, subscribe nyo na rin ako. Malapit na.
Parang labo.
Malabo. Dito ka. Hey, girl, and birthday boy. Ayan, subscribe nyo na rin ako sa TikTok ko.
Subscribe sa TikTok mo.
Ito. Ano to?
Download.
Tapos ito. Dali, hit that notification bell. Dali, open mo na tong guys. And ito, subscribe nyo na yan. Mamaya yan. After eating. Lucky Rose Vlogs.
ilang taon na?
Huwag pala sa baby.
Tanda na. 35.
36?
Ay, 36.
Ay, ito, YouTube. Subscribe na po ako sa aking YouTube channel.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. up the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that